Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. We are currently on our way back from the market. We are heading to our cooking class. I am so excited. We're gonna make loads of traditional Mexican dishes. It's gonna be amazing.
Ella baila pero no dice nada, su booty lo expresaba con perreíto y con dembow. Sabe bien que ha sido la estrella dándole al reggaetón, ton, ton, ya. Y empieza el flow, esta es la nueva era pero baila.
We just finished cooking and now we're gonna eat.
Cheers.
This is an empanada, right? So we're having prawn empanadas. Shrimp. Wait, shrimp and prawn same, right?
No, prawns are bigger than shrimp.
So this is prawn, yeah.
No, shrimp.
There's a big one.
Nope, prawns are bigger than that.
No.
I don't know.
It is. we don't ever say shrimp unless the restaurant puts it on the menu like that.
So good, right?
I think I should just shove it on.
This was like very smoky.
I like that.
Good.
With plantains and pineapple and
I'm going to go to the market. I might see you when I come back from the market. I have another class. But if I don't see you, I will. Take
and the lentils.
Like it adds a good little sweet flavor to it.
I like this one. So I'm really confused. Confused? Not confused. Who's that word? What's the word?
I'm really fucking bamboozled right now.
Bamboozled. I'm really like, I feel like I'm a bit in shock. So me and Tatiana were just driving down. We left Oaxaca to go to this beach area, and we were driving down this mountain that you had to go through. Basically, it was awful. I was like dying of sickness, and then this car, a motorbike just rear-ended us, and the guy just drove off. He didn't even stop. He just looked at us dead in the eye, and I was asleep. So I was just like, "What was that? What was that?" I just can't. I can't. Hey guys, we've just arrived in Purto Escondido. I think I'm saying that right. And let me show you our villa. It's so nice. So as you come in, we have the kitchen here, little work desk, and then you come over. There's my luggage. Come up these little stepperies, and we have like a living space here, and then we have a little pool. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm getting in that pool. Looks a little bit like a pond, but still cute. And then come up some more stairs. And there's Tatiana lying on the bed. So we have a little bed here. Little rainfall shower. Mirror. And toilet. Super cute. It's not too big, not too small. Perfection. Perfection. So we are now heading out to the beach. We're gonna get a few drone shots, get some breakfast, have a coffee. In an amazing turn of events, last night Europe car came and the guy helped us with the car. So we now have no dent, and I'm so happy about that because I was so scared about how much you have to pay. Because he was saying it was gonna be like 8,000 pesos. Why do you even have insurance? Like, what's the point of insurance when I'm gonna pay 8,000 pesos and I have insurance? If anybody would like to explain in the comments what the point of insurance is, I'd be very grateful.
Think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything is led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking much all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right.
So we decided, since we're only here for one day, we would jump in the car and drive down to the next beach. So we got changed. I'm feeling this new hairstyle, loving it. I've copied Tatiana. I think we're gonna chill here for a bit. This beach is really different from the beach that is near our house. It's much more local. There's pretty much only locals here actually, and a few tourists, which is so cute because it's just a completely different vibe from when you're around tourists. So we love it here. But Tatiana has a wild idea that we should do one beach every hour. So we may end at another beach.
So patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me